everybody, bienvenidos. Welcome to my channel. Yes, finally I have a channel after so many years of so many people asking me, actually that know me in person, Irma, make a channel. Irma, why haven't you made a channel? Irma, you really like makeup. Irma, you know how to cook. Irma, you love spreading positivity. For everybody that has been asking me to make one, here it is. I've been debating on whether to make one or not for the past 562 years. So it's finally here. People that don't know me, my name is Irma. I go by Irmita. Feel free to call me that. I am a makeup lover. I love to cook. I love to spread positivity. So you will be seeing a lot of that on my channel, along with a lot of other things that I have in the works. So stay tuned. Feel free to subscribe, to like, and let's get on with this video today. I do want to say that the first video I will be doing will be a review on the Jeffree Star Cremated Palette. So if you want to know what I have to say, if I recommend, please keep watching. So as you see, we have the cremated palette here. It's a marble effect. Pretty simple yet cute. Super cute. Am I the only one that likes to keep the boxes out of every palette that comes out? Let me know in the comments, because I like to keep almost all of my boxes. Let me know if you guys are the same. And here is the palette. I love this makeup look that Lipstick Nick made on Jeffree. And then I love this effect here. And in the back, you know, pretty simple. And let's go to the fun part, the best part of all. We do have a big mirror. I love a big mirror. You know, you could get ready with it, take it with you. You don't need anything else. Here are the shadows. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. I cannot pick just one. The pan work on here is really pretty, as you can see. And then something that's really cool about all his collections, that he changes the pan work in every collection, which I think is a really cute touch to add. You can see it's 24 shades. Overall, it's a really good palette, especially because you have your darks, you have your lights, you have your shimmers, your metallics, your mattes, and this is basically all you need. This is a really good palette for makeup artists. I really recommend this palette, and especially if you want to do like bridal work, you got it down here. If you want to party on your eye, you know, you got it up here. So you have so many options. I will be doing videos using this palette. If there's a specific color that you want me to do a video on, let me know. I see a lot of makeup looks that can be done with this palette. So I do want to swatch some for you guys, especially my favorites, and then I'll have a clip where you can see all of the swatches from the palette. So I want to start off with, Last Look. This is such a pretty shade. Oh my God, guys, isn't that beautiful? The way it reflects off the light. Oh my God, I could see myself doing so many looks with this. And then the next color that I really like is Diamond Ashes, is the one down here. I will put this next here. Like, look at that shine. My God. That is beautiful. And then the next one that I like a lot is Inheritance, which is the one right here. Let's put this right here. Oh my God, yes. These three colors are giving me life. I'm gonna give you one more because, knowing me, I will probably say that the whole palette is my favorite, but I'll just give you some. I don't want to bore you guys. And then the next one, the final one, is Gravedigger. Gravedigger. Oh my God, look. And these are beautiful. I will be inserting some swatches here. So you're asking yourself, do you recommend it, Irmita? Yes, no, maybe, why? Personally, I do for many reasons. One of them, you get 24 shades. Second, you get your darks, you get your lights. You don't have to be going through like 10, 20 palettes to just get a good dark and a good light. You have it all here. And then you have your really big mirror, which nowadays, who does not want a mirror? Especially me, I love to do my makeup in really big mirrors. I want to see my whole face, not just half of it, you know. Had to be suffering with a little mirror. No, I have a pretty big face, as you guys can see. So I like a big mirror. And then, you know, all the pan work is really nice. I feel like it's really custom made, and that's what I love in a palette. So yes, I really recommend this. If you guys like any shade, let me know. I would love to do looks on this in English and in Spanish, because, you know, I be speaking Spanish too, you know. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I'm finally here. I will be posting a lot of videos coming very soon. Different topics, different things. And hopefully you guys stick by. Like I said, like and subscribe. And take care, everybody. Bye. Finally, it's here after many years of people asking me to go on. We have, oh my God, no. So here we go.